This is one of the. He's coming from our house. He's doing our job.
No, say that this house was.
Yeah. Let it go. Let her go. Let her go. She's doing our duties.
Sir.
Yes, let her go. Let her go. Let her go. Let her do utensils. The utensil master. Yeah.
Now say.
Kanan Devi, the famous singer and actor.
Right. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Owner of this particular floor.
But also now I'm of keeping them in charge of the caretaker of the building.
Yeah.
They have since certain new new.
Okay.
We have to do now we're doing the two jobs.
Okay. You lived. You got this in 1990s. You bought this.
Between 1980 and 2000 between I don't
But
know.
I'll tell you one thing. Kanun Devi had shifted to Regent Grove long before
Long
90.
before, and then that time.
Huh.
Then there were a lot of the families were Gujarati. Lot of families had come down here.
They were living as tenants. They were
living as subtenants.
Yeah.
A lot of friends. My Dadaji's friends. We were living beyond that. Suddenly market में पीछे रहता था.
Sir.
They had come down because of the family friends. वो family friend down एक family था. ऊपर में family था. वो घर जैसे रिलेशन.
Okay.
And we are a big family.
Okay.
चार दादू काकू.
And all of you had businesses.
We had insurance agents.
You were you people are Gujarati, right?
Yeah, Gujarati. Ma'am, Dadi, Miss grandfather had come in 1912 from Gujarat.
Sir.
to
Gujarat.
do,
1912 from Gujarat.
He had come to do life insurance business. Agent is an agent of Asia.
Sir, okay. So you people were living as tenants under subtenants.
Yeah,
okay.
again under the company. We had to pay the rent to other company. The company they could not do alteration and things.
Okay.
Then we had taken, and the company was giving rent to Siddhartha Bhattacharya.
No, Kanun Devi had given all the floors for rent at that time.
At that time.
Kanun Devi was earning money from the rents you people paid.
To the companies. To the companies,
and the companies gave it to you.
Gave to us.
Okay, Gujarati company or
It was the Birla company.
Birla company, right.
Birla, Coalfield and everything, not the privatized.
Okay.
No, we are not builders.
So this entire house with all the floors belong to Kanun Devi?
Yeah. The entire is land.
Okay. And do you know in which particular floor Kanun Devi actually lived when she was...
No.
Which?
We are staying here only.
She was staying second floor, first floor. This is first floor.
Our house.
Our house. So you have both these houses, this and this. All the houses belongs to you.
All over flat.
Okay, and there are 3 doors.
Yes, 3 doors.
Okay. This is a very old-fashioned flat. So nowadays you don't find flats like
nowadays
this.
Youngsters don't like this people.
I like it very much. I'm a youngster, but I still like it.
Some of the coming up.
Yeah. So I feel nostalgic every time I see flats of this
kind. I know the heritage building like North Calcutta. Heritage building. You'd like to say there's Ramendra Babu. There's
No, this is not North Calcutta style. This is unique and belongs only to South Calcutta architecture.
This is the area where this is connected to all transport.
All transportations, right? Nowadays, most of the buildings are being taken down and.
And my father did not have was alive. Did not have the courage to sell to the developers.
I also request to never sell this property to.
Until I am alive, I know I will stay as it is. Only done some घर में जैसा सुविधा अनुसार मैंने कुछ घर में किया कमरा में किया not others.
Okay.
अब अभी चले हाई सीलिंग से अभी काम आते हैं ना काम कर पर उसका पूरा पसीना निकल जाता है.
अच्छा, okay, I get it.
ये dance the floors ये सब common area है.
Common area. This is okay.
It's shared by 3 people.
Yeah. You came here?
We were a family. The grandfather had come in 1954.
1954.
Yes.
Okay. As tenants.
As subtenants. And we are living since this 2025. We are still living there.
You're still living here.
On date.
71 years. It's close to 71 years.
On date means.
And you have not changed a single brick of the house.
Not much.
But the outside structure is...
No, nothing. Not
the stairs also have...
No, same.
Same stairs, right. Thank you.